Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the second update to the Graveyard Project Pan. This project is a 6-month long project that is themed that I came up with the original concept for and then hashed out the details with a bunch of other panners. Our group is over 100 project panners. There's a playlist down below and a hashtag on Instagram if you'd like to check that out. There are two categories. Resurrection products are those that were in projects before that you didn't meet your goal on, and collecting cobwebs products that are close to expiration or neglected in your collection. I can't believe that the finale is coming so close. It's on Halloween, 2 more months to go, and then this project is over. Apologies for the setup and the quality. I'm just filming on my phone. I have you propped up on my kids' play kitchen. I just needed to get this done. I'm already late. I just don't have the time to film like I used to. Clearly, my life is a little crazy right now. I believe the next video I have going up will be going up on my second channel, and it will be a life update and changes that I'm making, etc. So if you're interested in that, keep your eye out for that video on my channel, McGinnis Mama. I won't bore you with the details here, but let's hop in to my updates for the 6 products I have in this project. First, my products in the resurrection category, I have my Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. This is the 1/2 ounce size, and I did use this only 6 times since the last update, but I did make significant progress because I got rid of the air bubble that was in here just by mistake. I was just using it and a bunch of air came out of it, so that is why you see such a significant jump here, but that does make me hopeful. Of course, I only used it 6 times to make this progress, but if I do use it consistently over the next 2 months, I should be able to have this done by the finale, which would be amazing because this is my oldest primer in my collection. Next, I have my L'Oreal True Match powder. First, I'm going to insert a picture of what it looked like at the intro last time, and this is what it looks like today. I want to repress this so bad, but I still cannot find alcohol to repress this where I live. Of course, I'm not looking for it super seriously because I'm in and out of the store so quickly. And if I do have the kids, obviously I'm rushing around not browsing the shelves. So I haven't looked that hard, but I have, looked here and there and have not found rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, anything like that to repress it. But this is where I'm at today. I'm really actually happy with my progress. I don't think I will be able to finish this by the finale, but I hope you can see that right here even is super thin. My goal was to finish this, but I'm just going to keep using it as I have been. This blush was in my 2019, and then I put it in this project last year and worked on it really hard for an additional 6 months. And now we're 4 months into this project and I still don't have pan on this blush. This is from Model Co. It's in the shade Peach Bellini. And I wish you could see how thin it is on one side. Can you see how it slopes down so much on this side? I don't know. I'm never going to hit pan on a blush in my life. Oh gosh, I'm just gonna keep trying. It's a very summery blush. I do have it on today, even though I have a very warm autumnal eye look, if you will. I guess it's not that fall-like, but I don't really think that the tones match that well, but I did put it on today anyways because I really am trying so hard to hit pan on this, you guys. And I have worn it on my eyes a couple times as well. I don't love it that way because it doesn't have like that much impact as it is a blush, not an eyeshadow. I don't know what to tell you. I'm trying. The next two products are from my collecting cobwebs category. These were the original 5 that have been in since the intro, and then I have a product that I rolled in last month. Anyways, this is the Kevyn Sculpting Powder in the shade Light. I heard that this was relatively easy to hit pan on. I used it 10 times since the last update, making for a total of 22 times in this project. Not that much. I'm finding it hard to remember to contour. I did contour today, but with my face shape, like my cheekbones are the widest part, and I feel like I have a really thin jawline anyways. So sometimes if I'm not careful and I contour, it makes my face structure look really severe because I'm already thinner, you know, here under my cheekbones, if that makes sense. So I did contour today, and I don't think it looks too severe. Today I like tried really hard, but if I'm not paying too much attention and I make the line too dark or whatever, it's not super flattering is what I'm getting at. And I don't even think there's really a dip or anything. No. It still looks relatively untouched, although like obviously in person I can see brush marks and stuff in it, but no dip. This is most likely not going to have pan on it by the finale either. The other product in my collecting cobwebs was a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Smokin' Whistles. I love this highlight. I do have it on today. I have all of these products on my face today. And my goal is to hit pan on this, but oh gosh. Emmett's teething, which is why he's been in my videos when I do have a chance to film, because he is a grumpy baby. I'm trying to use the entire surface area of this highlighter. I hope you are able to see that I'm not just going into the middle, because Super Shock products are really easy to hit pan on if you just squish your finger in there, but I'm trying to be conscious not to do that. Although I do still see a bit of a dip in the center, even though I am trying to be careful. So I think I can hit pan on this by the next update as well if I, you know, focus on it. These products, ooh, I almost dropped this. These products are my focus because this project ends before any of my other projects do. So my goal is to really like work on these products and get them out of my collection, or like meet my goal on them. Last update, I pulled in my ABH Modern Renaissance palette. I was inspired by Liz at Kooky Pan's new project that she had created at this time 2 months ago. She's since created a couple others. Prep that product, which is like just using a product a lot right now coming into 2021, so you have a bit of a head start. And I have had my ABH Modern Renaissance in a roulette pan collab previous as well, so this is also a resurrection product. My goal is to hit pan on 2 shades before the end of this project. I am going to insert a picture here of what it looked like when I pulled it into this project 2 months ago. Oh my gosh. And over the last 2 months, I have only reached for this 9 times, and this is what my palette looks like now. So as you can see, there are no new pans. No pans at all, actually. I don't have any pans in this palette, but I'm hoping you're able to see that I actually do have some dips forming in some of these shades, which I didn't really have before. So I've been using tempera to set my eyeshadow primer each day, and I do have pretty good dips going in golden ochre, burnt orange, and bon fresco, and surprisingly cypress umber and realgar as well. I've been loving using those eyeshadows. I haven't been using these shades, the shimmers, Vermeer and Primavera, all that much because They're similar to other shades I'm working on. But I have been using this, and this is the time of year to get a lot of use out of this. So I'm really happy that I have this in a project, so I have an excuse to reach for it a lot. This palette deserves so much more love from me because I do really enjoy it. The quality is still amazing. Oh my goodness. And for how long I've owned it, it should definitely have pans in it, but I just have too much in my collection and I'm not good at focusing in on things. So my goal is still to hit 2 pans by the finale, and I think I will be able to do it, especially like over the last 2 months. It was July and August, and I feel like this is a really great fall palette. So hopefully September and October I will get a ton of use out of this product. So that was my progress on those 6 items in my graveyard project pan. No new products to roll in today, which is kind of a bummer, but I really haven't been doing my makeup very much. I haven't been uploading very much. Like I said, my life is a bit crazy right now. So yeah, but I'm really hopeful to meet 4 goals by the finale if I really focus. I think this primer could really be an empty, and I think I could hit pan on the blush and the highlight. The blush, but I'm really going to try, and then the goal on my palette to hit 2 pans. I think that would be amazing. I do not think I will be able to finish my powder or hit pan on my contour, but I will continue to use them and try my best, but I'm not fooling myself. I'm pretty sure these are still gonna be kicking around in my collection. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm sorry I have been slacking on my YouTube channel. I'm trying my best to come back a little bit. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.